Are we all set? Can we start? Okay, so welcome again, and we would get started. But before that, I would like to know from you, like, if you have any queries or you are, how are you doing with your assignment that I gave you, like last in the last session and also yesterday. So could
Okay.
you do those? Mhm.
I uh, I have one question, but regarding an command action command. Actually, still we didn't uh, take it from you. But I have a question about wait command.
Wait.
Yes, wait command. I see there is x and y coordinate in the wait command. I don't know how to use it.
Okay. So why do you need to use a wait command like in the task which I gave you that shouldn't need a wait, but any case, let me show you. Um, okay. Okay. So you are talking about the wait command. Okay. So which one did you try?
What wait for window?
Wait for window. Okay. So wait for window, you have two options. So where are you getting that one, x and y?
What is it? Okay, wait for conditions. Try the wait for condition or wait for screen change. I tried just wait command. I don't know where is the
Wait for close and wait for open
no
are the two options.
another wait
Okay,
command.
another wait command you want to
Screen
try.
change,
Okay,
screen change or wait for condition.
screen change might would have it,
Yes, this
right?
one.
Hmm.
Left and top and right and bottom.
So see, uh, that the thing is that if you say if you are if you are waiting for a window or a screen, so that means you are concentrating particular part of your screen, right?
Yes.
Hmm. And then that particular part of the screen might exist in a particular screen coordinate within a particular screen, a set of screen coordinates,
Okay.
correct? Suppose if I take this one, just hold on.
Also here in the drop down list, we cannot find the opened window. Just we have three type of the window.
For that you have to refresh. You see, I have just refreshed with this button.
Okay.
So once you refresh, it would now look into your computer to check for all the available windows. Now, initially, if you had noticed, I also had three, but now you see all the things have come over here, right?
Okay.
So initially the presets would be there, like three, this set would be there,
Mm-hmm.
but now it gives you a list of available windows. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now say I select this one and I apply it. So what would you give? It is asking for these coordinate values,
Yes.
right? So these coordinate values are nothing like, see, if you are looking for the entire screen means you have to get the top means the top left corner is 0. So you can write at 0, left top is also 0, like this top left corner is always 0, correct, 0 0. And then right, how much you want to do, so that would depend on your screen resolution. Like if you want to take say 1000 or thing like that, then you can bottom also say 800.
This is in pixel.
Yes.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
and then within that part it would search for your screen. So depending on that, you can specify. So this is like a fine tuning. Not if you want to have your screen, say sometimes it happens that it is only a dialog box coming up, a small dialog box, then you don't actually need the entire screen change. Only that part of the screen would change, right? The rest part would be same.
Okay. How we
So
can
that,
detect the pixels? How we can know the that's pixel for the pop-up screen?
no, so the for that one you have to do some calculation, right? It is not readily, you cannot get like that. Suppose I would say like this. If we have some kind of dialogue, I could have shown you. Suppose a dialogue box comes over here in this
Okay.
position. Okay, so when you highlight your screen, you would see in the left here, you would see x into y kind of coordinates it shows. When you move your mouse, it would change.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that time of that kind of thing appears in an application,
I got it.
right?
I got it.
Yeah, so whatever coordinates you want, you move your mouse over there, you get the coordinates. So if it is 0, like 56, so 56, 82, 82, and then 76, something like that.
Okay.
And then
Can
you have
we
to
got also the X and Y from the record action also, if you got the record action?
recorded action. We can check for that. So we can definitely check. We would do that. But for this one, you don't have this. But let's say, let's check that one. Okay.
Okay.
So apart from that, anything else, like you were able to do the assignments?
Yes, the two assignment I already did it.
And what about others?
The second assignment for the Notepad, uh, I did it actually, but I cannot add the new text for the promote message before after done the first one.
Okay.
You asked from us to type anything in the Notepad, to open Notepad and type anything through the recorder action. Yes.
Right.
After that, take the value from the end user and put it in the
Mm,
Notepad.
right.
Okay, when I took the value from the promote message from the end user and put it in the Notepad, the recorder delete the old one, the old
Okay.
value, and put the
Mm-hmm.
new value.
Okay. Okay. So let me come to that. So I think this would be helpful for others also. So let me show you. So this is some kind of, not exactly same, but some kind of same thing which I also did. So let's see if I run it, what happens. So it types the notepad, it opens the notepad. Then it tries to type in something and save, test, something it would do. So that is what you are saying, right? So this hi I have written and then hello world. So when you are writing the hello word, it is overwriting the hi, right?
No, let me share my screen and I will show you.
Okay.
Give me the permission for the share screen, or give me the host.
Yeah.
Did you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. I will run. I already created the notepad and put it in the file
That's fine.
and ask the user for the type anything or type name. You see? Okay. This is from the recorder and this is from the prompt user. I don't know. That's you want in the assignment?
That's fine. You have typed in. So now where you are setting the text, go to that in your code.
Okay, I have another question. How can I create a notepad from here, from the RPE, not from my side, not from manually? I already created the file here. Write a notepad and save it. Then
This is not a notepad, it's a text file, right?
text file, yes. Is this the assignment, or I don't know? I don't get you on the assignment. Then I create action to open this file. How can I create a notepad from here or the text file from here?
No, so see, if the text file is not there, it won't create. So what you can do is you can create a note. How would you create normally a note file? You would have to go to the start menu and then notepad, and then you would create it. So similarly, you can create, because there is no action related to notepad, creation of notepad, what you are looking for. So you
Okay.
have, if you have to automate, you have to go through start a notepad from the start menu and then
Okay.
open it, then write to the notepad, and then you can save it. So that should be the process.
Okay. Okay.
And regarding what you are overwriting, show me that part in the code
In the code,
where you are writing.
I make it you. I make it host. Make it you
No,
host.
no, no. Oh, you already made me host. So I would give you once more the host permission, and
Okay.
you share your screen.
Okay. Did
Yeah.
you see my screen? Okay.
Yes. Now come down where you are writing in the notepad. Where is that? Write in notepad. You see, yes.
Yes.
Go to
Right
the
in
properties. Open the properties pane. Yes.
here. Okay.
Yes. So here you
I
are writing it, right?
Yes, I write this. Then I took the variable that save the data from the variable from the prompt file. I already asked the user to type his name and save the value to this variable. Here in the recorder, I type this.
Yes.
Then I have put the variable.
Okay. Got it. So now let me share my screen.
Okay. You can share your screen.
Okay. Okay. So now you see what you have. I have done is this is the set text. Okay. So Notepad, I am setting a
Please,
test.
can you show step by step
Yeah, step
from
by
A to
step.
Z? Yes, because I am not. I don't
Okay.
have any information in RBA. So I have some conflict in this
Okay.
issue.
No, not a problem. So let me show you again then, step by
Yes,
step.
thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
that's fine, not a problem. Okay. So first, you have to create a bot. Say test Notepad. I name it. Now, what I would do is I would start recording. Okay.
Okay.
You click on the start record button.
Okay.
My connection is slow today. I don't know why. Okay. Now, what I would select is
Notepad.
taskbar, because I need to open the Notepad. So this is the taskbar. So I would select it. I am showing from beginning because she wanted to check there.
Okay.
Okay, so now you see a red kind of mark appears, right?
Yes.
And you see when I hover over anything, this red marks shifts, right? You can see now.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So when I do like here, I come here, it should come because of network issues. I think it is okay. So I click over here. Okay.
I'm
Okay.
typing Notepad.
Yeah, I would show you. So then what I would do is I would um, type Notepad. Okay. And I would click enter. So this can be one thing. And the second thing can be like I would end recording here. And so what I have done in the first step is I am just clicking over here, and let's remove this one. Then what I would do, I would, so this is just a good practice. That's why I am telling you, because keystrokes are more reliable. So I would do a keystroke over here. I would simulate a keystroke. So what would I write? I would write Notepad, and then I would follow it up with a enter, because after writing Notepad I need to click on enter, right? So after I have done that, and which window it is, so this is on the taskbar. Now I apply it. Now I save it. Now I run. So I'm just going step by step. Let's close it. You see the Notepad has opened, right? And my bot has closed. Clear till now,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, yes. It's clear.
Okay.
Nice. Nice. Okay.
Okay. So now, what is there? Like I have a notepad and I have opened it, right?
Okay.
So it
Right.
is like in this stage. Then I would record again. So when you break your recording, that would actually help you in recording as well as making your program more robust. So that you would come to know when you develop a bigger application, automated bigger application. So that's the way it should be done, depending on some logical kind of points where you actually break your recording.
Okay. In 2019, we will use the recorder action
Yeah,
instead of Metabot or what?
Metabot is not there,
Oh,
and
okay.
huh? Metabot
Okay.
is there. So see, now in recording, I am selecting Notepad, right?
Yes.
Because Notepad is already open. Now I start recording. As soon as recording is ready, I would just hover my mouse to see. Yeah, now it is ready. So what I would do, I would type in something. Hello world. Okay.
Okay.
And then,
You can click pause,
mhm, what?
and then you can
No, I think
continue.
it has not. You see, once your action is recorded, it would show over here. So it has not. That's the reason I am waiting.
Mm.
You see, now it is coming. Set text on text box. So now I end recording. Okay.
Okay.
So set text on Notepad. So suppose now I want to type something else. Say I type session 3. This is the first line. Okay. So I apply this, and then over here I want to write something else. So what I would do, instead of set text, I would do append text. And in append text, I would write something like recording features of A2019, and I would apply it. Now it saved the bot. I close the notepad and then I run it again. Now let's see what happens. You see, it has appended and the bot has finished, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
whatever you have typed first is there, and whatever you are typing next should be appended, not set text. If you do a set text in the second case, your
Yes, yes.
first thing would go away.
Mm-hmm. I got it.
And if you want to give a enter, you can give a enter over here, like in the first, after the first set text, you can give enter and apply. So that should create an new line. Clear till now?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Clear.
Yes, clear.
Okay. So Faz, that answers your query, right? Why your initial text was getting overwritten, right?
Yes, you answered my
Because
queries.
yes. So okay. Now So yes, the last time we covered integer, we covered string, we covered loop, and prompt kind of thing from the user, and you were successful in doing the looping and getting it printed in the notepad. So till that you have done, and in the process you have also used the recorder, right?
Yes.
Okay, so till this point everyone is comfortable and everyone can do the same thing
Yes.
blindly. Okay, great. Now let's do one thing. So this recording what we have done, this is called Windows recording. So you see recording, if you have some background of A11 like Automation Anywhere 11, you had different kinds of recorders like a desktop recorder, Citrix recorder, wave recorder kind of things were there. But now it is a single recorder. So the question is how does it know which application is it? So the answer lies, if you see a recorded action, you would see the control type. So it says the control type is a button kind of control. And what is the technology type? So this technology type has automatically been populated by A2019. Now you don't need to select like a wave recorder or a desktop recorder. So if it is a kind of Windows application, it would select this MS activity, active accessibility type. Automatically this happens. So similarly, if it is a SAP application, SAP application, it would select a SAP. And if it is a web application, it would probably, or it would select HTML. The technology type would be HTML. So that is the rational. Like if anyone asks you how does it handle, so what the task we as bot creators or bot developers used to do in Automation Anywhere like 11, like selecting the application type and depending on the we used to record. Now Automation Anywhere automatically detects the application involved, and then it can employ whatever recorder which suits it. So this is recording. Now I would show you something on the wave recorder. Not wave recorder, but wave recording.
Is this action the good practice to work on the web application or on the SAP application, the recorder?
Yeah, so the recorder should work in case of Windows application, in case of web application, in case of SAP application, and to some extent in case of Citrix application also.
That means this is the good practice, or we have another action. Like I saw there is a capture action here.
Yeah, so you have seen the capture option. So where did you see it? Under recorder, no?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the same. If you now drag it over, you would see it is the same capture option. The recorder is also using the capture option, and this is just another kind of option you
Okay.
get if you don't want to record multiple steps but only a single step perhaps.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
you just drag it, and but it ultimately it's the same,
Okay.
no difference, right?
Right. Okay.
Okay. So now we have already recorded a Windows application and showed it. Now what I would do is with the same recorder, I would be recording a web application. So initially I would be going very slow, just because I want every one of you to catch the things and understand the things properly, because otherwise you can have problem later on.
Here in the recorder, when we work on the web page, it should be in the single tab, yes?
Which one?
When we work in the recorder in the web
Hmm.
page or in the web application.
Hmm.
The web application should be in the single tab or in the single Google Chrome single browser page.
Okay, so I would show you. So suppose this is a web page,
Yes.
and so it should not be in the same Chrome window where your control where you are actually running your or creating the bots from, because you can't navigate. So what I would do, I would create a separate window.
Okay.
Hit the browser with this URL.
It must be in the single tab.
It
To
can be multiple tabs, but it should be the highlight focused one,
the first one or the opened one.
opened one.
Yes.
Let's see if we keep this way whether it works or not. So now I would refresh it. I will just refresh. Where did that go? I have a really slow connection today. Okay, now let's find whether we have our window open or not. This one, right? Exchange rate euro to US dollar. You see, it has detected it. So let's start record. What I would do, okay, it has come. Now I am hovering my mouse. Yeah. Now I click on this. As soon as I click on this, it opens up. So let's select euro.
We can just click and put the value through keystrokes, yes?
Yeah, you can also do that, but let's do it through recording only, and let's see what it has recorded. Now you see euro and US dollar, and here is the conversion, right?
Yes.
Now I click over here, not over here. I would need to take the entire thing. So I click over here and then I end the recording. So everything comes over here. Now let's see. If you remember our previous recording, it was showing technology type as MS Active Accessibility.
Yes.
Now let's check over here. What is the technology type?
HTML.
HTML. So it has automatically detected that it is HTML. And then okay, and then what happens is that we click over here, left click. So left click on something. So what it is we are clicking on, let's say instead of clicking we would do a set text start kind, or let's say over here the first one, let's not complicate first. So let's go over here. So this is the thing where we clicked, and in the set text we say that euro, right?
Okay.
And then I apply it. It only clicks, does nothing on the action. And in the last thing, what it does is it clicks on here, right?
Yes.
But suppose clicking is fine, but suppose we want to get the value, this value.
Yeah, we
How?
can get this value
Yeah.
and
So
copy
how
it.
this value, na? Yeah, we can get this. So as of now, see what we have done is if you remember, I just clicked on this one, right?
Right.
This part. So what it gave me, so what it gave me is an action. If you go over here, it is a left click action, right? It's just a left click.
Yes.
But if you want to get the text from here, you expand these object properties. You expand the object properties and you come down until you get what you want to search for. So you see the text is over here, right?
The inner
Yes.
text.
This is the inner text. So what I would do, I would copy this one. This property I would copy. I would come down. Instead of
Get the property.
just hold on. Get property, and then I would paste whatever I copied. And let's say I assign it to some value like conversion rate. And it is a string type, it has detected automatically. I would create it. Now I go back over here. Okay, now let's apply it, save it, and run it. So now you have an integrated kind of automation